Welcome to this new tutorial series where I will teach you everything with HTML, CSS, JavaScript and SAS. So today we will continue with footer at bottom. So we see in many websites the header is always on the top mostly and the content follows after that. Sometimes the browser height is so much big that and the content is less, then we see that footer comes to the top and white space is showing up in the bottom part. So that makes a little bit odd to the browser and to the page. So we'll fix that issue cleanly with CSS. um, let's take a look. Okay, so we have this header and we'll give some content for the header. So we have the main part and we have the footer. And for nicely making it footer at the bottom, let's give one wrapper to the content. So we'll make it a wrapper. Now let's see that in the browser. We see the header, the main part and the footer all are stacked to the top. Let's give some small styling to those. Let's make the body margin 0 and let's make header and footer background of black and color of white and give some padding to it, so it will look like this. And for the main part, let's make it only padding 15 pixel and let's make some background to the body. We'll give orange. Looks good, but we see the folder is on the top. When like this issue happens, we can fix very easily using CSS tables. So we give HTML and body, we give height 100%, width 100%, and to the wrapper we give height 100%, or we can give min height 100%. That's good one. And we give display table with 100%, and then we give table layout fixed. This table layout fixed is very important part in the wrapper, because we know in our website we keep many plugins and there are some sliders stuff there may be some other stuffs that uses JavaScript to calculate its width and sometimes change their widths also. So if we don't keep this table layout fixed here, then there will be some problem with the full width of the wrapper, and then it will go overflow over the body. So it will have some scroll on the x-axis, so it will not look good at that point. So this table layout fix is very important. Let's go to the footer and we'll give here table footer group, display table footer group. We'll give some height 1%. That's very important. Keep a height of some small quantity, because it will take height itself. No need to give the actual height of the footer. It will calculate itself. And we give some overflow hidden for some bug in some Firefox, older Firefox. It may not be important, but some people may be using older Firefox and we need to fix that. And that's it. We can give width 100%, but it's not so much required, but adding it is not bad. And now we can see the footer is at the bottom. One issue we have here is we don't have the padding inside of it. We have set that padding here in the footer, but there is no padding. It's because of this table footer group, we cannot add padding to that footer box. So we'll go with one new wrapper. We'll make it footer wrapper and give that a padding 15 pixels, and also with 100% and display table cell. We'll give display table cell, and this is specifically for IE browser, because IE has some error where it could not give full width to the footer. So because of that bug, we need to add this, and it will work on IE. If you don't have any problem with IE, or you are not supporting IE browser, IE 9 specifically, then it's okay. You can give it a go. But this footer at bottom techniques can be applied up to IE8, so it will work up to IE8. You will have no problem with anything on up to that browser IE8. So you can use these techniques to make your browser, your web page support footer at bottom. So now we will keep that footer wrapper here. So we'll wrap this, and let's see, it will have the padding as well, and the main part itself, it has the content, and the footer is in the bottom. The content can be small or big, the footer will always be at the bottom. And one thing, you may think that when the content is much, then there will be bug on this, but don't think about like that. We will add some lorem text here. You see, it's not that big, so we will add some more text here, and let's see what happens. We'll add some more text. We'll copy this out, and we'll add some more. So when we add this, you see there is no any issue whatsoever with the footer. If the content is much, the footer will itself go to the bottom, but if the content is less and it needs to be on the bottom exactly and not go to the top, then it will sit at the bottom, and your browser, your web page will look better on the browser, on every browser up to IE9, IE8 and 9 as well. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and subscribe me, follow me for more videos.